I had a request from a subscriber recently to put together some of the best exercises that a person could do using sliders. So what I wanted to do first is go over some of the options that you have as far as buying sliders or what to use if you don't have a pair of traditional sliders. So let's start with the traditional. You can get these off of Amazon for $20 to $40. I personally bought these 10 years ago. They're extremely durable plastic. I'll probably have them until I die, but just know that you don't need to have what they market as fitness sliders, and I'll explain that in a little bit. Good option, but not completely necessary. These are furniture slides that you can get at your hardware store. You usually get a pack of 6 to 12 of these, and these will cost you anywhere from $2 to $5. Again, we're just looking for some sliding action. So these work extremely well. They're very economical, and they might be the best option for most people. So keep these in mind if you're not willing to shell out the dough for the traditional. Lastly, if you're training on hardwood or any other hard surface, just grab an old t-shirt, ball it up, tape it up, and use that for your slide. It works really well. Use an old towel, that works really well. Or I've also used, if I'm looking to slide my feet, I'll just put one sock on a foot and slide that way. Or you could cut a sock and splay it open and use it that way. So coming back around to these traditional slides and all of these, all we're looking to do is have your limbs slide. So don't think that you need to buy a $50 slide. Anything will work that has any kind of slide. Obviously this won't slide on carpet, but if we were on hardwood, this slides extremely well. So that's all we're looking for. Something that you can put your hands or your feet on that will move when you want it to. Lastly, in the video, I am a big fan of using slides for push-ups, some core work, lunges, and then different variations of crawling. I know that there are other videos out there demonstrating 50 to 100 different exercises, and I think that's a stretch. For me personally, I only use my slides for exercises that I feel are worth my time, that are challenging and make sense. So you're not going to see any quick mountain climbers or anything like that. I just like to use my slides for big bang exercises. In particularly, I really like reverse lunges. I love the push-up variations, and I'm slowly warming up to some of the different crawling variations, especially if you're a beginner and you're looking for something to acclimate to as you move forward to more difficult progressions. So I hope you get some value out of this video. Please let me know if there are any other tutorials or questions that you have, and I will continue to publish different videos on the channel. Take care.